Bitcoin Gold, we start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was here, we mentioned the way this one exactly here is correcting. That's why I mentioned if we are more interested to look for long term to look for buy, but we want the price to retest or break this low. As we can see, this is what we were expecting this happen. That's why there was there was opportunity to look for the sell. Anyway, we didn't have any update for that, and now we want to see what's the next. How we can look for next trade, whether still we can expect this one similar to any of this for one more drop. That's mean this one turn to a deeper correction, or we can look for reversal. How about if I put this low in relative to the previous low? We see we have a divergence, and as well here. Any reversal from now, it can give us good trade setup to look for buy. Okay, in this case, we move to daily chart. As we can see, the daily chart, the only thing is we are looking for this correction. We don't have anything to discuss. And if we move to forward chart, as we mentioned, we're looking for the reversal. The only thing is how deep this can go before we get the reversal. Any reversal, we are looking for trade to buy. That's mean we need to get, if we're looking for the trade setup for buy. Anyway, we move to 1 hour chart. As we mentioned, if we get any reversal, this is what we're looking for. But the only question is whether this is the start of the up move, or still this one can turn similar to any of this, and this down move we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction before we get the reversal. Okay, that's why if we get any trade setup for buy from now, we will take the trade. But right now we don't have any trade setup. If there is a continuation as a corrective, mostly we can get one more trade, one more drop. All right, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We need to just follow the chart whether we see whether we can get any trade setup from here for buy or not. And this one is not really sharp, and we cannot having entry above this is not really good idea, because really, it's almost at the top of this correction. That's why the only times if this one give us one more drop, all right, as we mentioned, me it tend to a deeper correction, then we can have entry above this. Rather than that, any reversal from here with the flag, we can take the trade. Okay, and with the breakout of the around 136, we have to start to manage. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, but if we get any reversal, we will be more interested to look for buy for long term. And if this one continues a corrective move, any sharp move flag, also we can look for short term sell. And the best thing is if we get one more drop before we look for reversal. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.